So, good evening, sir. My name is Pinel Laureta from Block 3J. So, ito nga po pala yung assessment ko, sir, sa PPT. Yung i-explain po yung mga question. So, number 1. So, what is template inheritance in Blade? And how can it be used in a real-world application? So, template inheritance in Blade lets you create a main layout that can be shared across multiple pages instead of repeating the same header, footer, or sidebar on every file. You only define it once and other pages can extend it. This makes web applications more organized and consistent, like in a voting system where the dashboard, candidates, and results pages all use the same layout. So, number 2, how can Blade sections and yields be utilized to manage content in different views? So, Blade sections and yields are used to manage different parts of a page's content. In the layout file, at yield acts, acts, acts as a placeholder, while in the child view, act section is used to fill that placeholder with actual content. This makes it easy to reuse one layout and still customize each page with unique information. Number 3, how do Blade control structures make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? So Blade provides simpler and cleaner ways to write condition and loops compared to raw PHP. Instead of using long PHP tags, you can write at if, at for each, or for, making the code more readable and easier to maintain. So this helps developers focus on the logic without being distracted by the messy syntax. Number 4, what is the purpose of the syntax in Blade? And why is it important for security? So the syntax in Blade is used to safely display variables in the view. It automatically escapes HTML, so harmful code like script cannot run, which protect the application from cross-site scripting XSS attacks. Aside from being secure, it also makes displaying dynamic data simple and clear. Last number 5. How can Blade's components and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? Blade's components and slots are tools for creating reusable UI elements. Components can be card, button, or modal, while slots allow custom content to be inserted inside the component. This approach keeps the design consistent across the application and makes it easy to update elements in one place instead of editing multiple files. So dito na po nagtatapos yung PPT ko, sir. Magandang gabi po at thank you.